Hey, welcome back viewers. In today's video, I'm going to show you the best gaming cabinet under 1600 rupees with a side glass and a big LED fan and with the SMPS. So let's start the video. Seriously viewers, unboxing new things is my favorite part. It feels so good. So as you can see, this is the side glass panel and here is a big LED fan, and in the front you can see all the sound jacks and USB ports are located upside of the cabinet, so it enhances the design. And here it is a big LED slit at the front of this cabinet, and here's the DVD writer slot. And at the back you can see it's fully handy screws, so you can easily open the cabinet. So here's a big LED fan. It's fully transparent so that it looks beautiful when it glows. And here are different panel and power button cables. So now it's time to unbox the SMPS of this cabinet, which is absolutely free with it. It's a 450 watts power supply, which is essential for moderate gaming. So it's time for the assembling process, so let me insert everything in this cabinet. So the assembling process is finished, so it's time to see how it looks when it turns on. So it looks amazing when it glows, and sorry I don't have any gaming setup or gaming desk, but if it's arranged on a proper desk, so it will look so fantastic, and it's the best option to buy a gaming cabinet under 1600 rupees with a SMPS. So go on guys, and thank you, and don't forget to subscribe.